So today, guys, we're in BeamNG.drive, and I'm gonna be trying to drive this massive tanker truck around with these idiots. Shoot! Bruh. Sorry, guy. Fucking fast! Turn! Move, D-Series! Bro! He's in the middle of the road! Bro, move out of the way! Pigeon! God, pigeon! Never trust a green pigeon. No! Come on, take the shortcut! I'm taking the shortcut no matter what. Finally, there. You were the stupidest thing in this earth! This video isn't even trying to drive a tanker truck with AI, it's getting rage baited by AI. Bro, my god. Bro! There's no way this is a 2-lane road. I hope every single AI car in this stupid world blows up right now. Bro! Nitrous, go! Bro, what is it not getting traction on? It's literally on the ground! Ah, this piece of shit. I'm not going in reverse! What is going on? Can you please get around this hairpin? Thank you. Why is my wheel... Piece of shit. Piece of shit. Piece of shit.